नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे YouTube चैनल राशि टेक्नोलॉजी में। आज हम आपके लिए लाए हैं, यदि आपका एक्सेल भी रिवर्स हो गया हो जस्ट लाइक उर्दू टाइपिंग, तो चलिए हम इसको सही कैसे करेंगे। फाइल, देन गो टू ऑप्शंस, क्लिक ऑन एडवांस. Now search here, there is an option default direction. Yes, default direction, it's right to left, right or left to right. Now we can select left to right, then click OK. Now we have close it. Now again open Excel. Any Excel file, click on any new file. Now it is okay. Once again we have checked, go to options, advanced. Now we have select right to left, okay, then close, then close, then check again, click on new file. Now this is just like you are typing in Urdu. So how you can correct? Go to just file, click on options, advanced, just click on a left to right, okay, this is the right position, that means left to right, okay, close, close, open again, check with your new file. Now this is okay. That's all. Thank you.